Hey guys, I'm pretty excited to announce that as of today, all of my online tutorials will be made free to the public. In case you don't know, I mainly teach statics, dynamics, and vibrations. And as you can see, each tutorial I've got features random student variables, so you get a unique experience. On top of this, each question comes with tailored feedback, so you can learn what you got wrong and why. All tutorials are also instantly graded, so you get an idea on how well you understand the topic. And to assist with the learning experience overall, these tutorials feature unique graphs to help visualize data, drag and drop activities to build intuition, expression editors so you can enter in the formulas, and of course, simulations to help you understand the concept at large. You'll find access to all of these tutorials in the description below. I hope you find these tutorials helpful, and I'll be posting more content in the coming weeks. Cheers.